How to get a refund on Temu without returning the item. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get a refund on Temu without returning the item. So let's get right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is check the Temu refund policy. If your order falls under Temu's refund policy, you can follow these steps to get your refund without returning the item. So what you want to do is open up Temu on your device and make sure you are logged in into your account. At the top you can find different options. From the options, tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on it, a menu will appear. Here find the customer support option and then tap on it. Now at the very bottom you will find the option of contact us. Tap on it. Now here you have to type in "can I get a refund?" and with that you will get a pop-up asking which order you need help with. Tap on the option select the order. After that you will see the list of orders. Select the order for which you want a refund. Now you can have a conversation with Temu customer service and explain why you want a refund and about the product details. And if Temu agrees, you will get a refund without returning the item. So this is how you can get a refund on Temu without returning the item. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.